First of all, prepare the ingredients: banana, chocolate, flour, and bread flour. After that, cut the banana into 2 parts. And then, put a glass of water into a bowl of flour. After that, stir until the dough like this. The next step, put the banana into the flour and bread flour. After everything is ready, turn on the stove. Wait the oil after heat up. After that, put the bananas in the flour. Wait about 3 and 5 minutes until the bananas are brown and ripe. After ripe, take and drain the banana. Serve bananas on a plate and top with chocolate. Bananas crispy are ready to be enjoyed.